Hi everyone, in this quick video I want to show you how to share your Figma files. So in order to share your file, just go to the right corner of the top bar of your file and hit the share button. And here in the share model you can share your file via a link. So hit copy link to generate your a link for your file that you can share it in any web platform, and anybody with that link can view or edit. You can see you can set the option here, can edit, or can anyone with the link can edit or can view your file. The second one is to send invitation by emails here in this input, and you can set also can view or can edit. Anyone that receive your email can edit or view your file. And the third one is to publish your file to the community. Here in the publish to community you can hit publish, and you can add a name, a description, tags, and just hit publish, and your file will be published with the community space of Figma. So that's it guys, and I will see you in the next one.